The only difference between this bucket list and your traditional bucket list is that this one is for 2025. There are 15 spaces for you to add the adventures, experiences, and activities that you want to tick off in 2025. If you're drawing a blank, consider the following categories: travel, adventure, education, entertainment, contribution, creativity, health, family, and relationships. It doesn't have to be anything big. Not everything on your list needs to be a once-in-a-lifetime event like bungee jumping or skydiving. Just as an example, some of the things I've had on my bucket list in previous years are things like taking swing dance classes, starting acro yoga, taking pottery classes, and going offline for 24 hours. The bucket list is ultimately space for you to write a fun, satisfying, and wholesome to-do list for the next 365 days. We've replaced the list format with a more visual layout. So think bucket list meets vision board. Get creative, feel free to use stickers or magazine cutouts to bring your bucket list to life. There are two ways to use the shaded area. You can use it to write down tentative dates, so dates that you plan on completing those activities, or actual dates of completion. The former gives you a timeline to work towards. The latter provides a record of your bucket list experiences.